Ever been stuck on the road with a dead car battery and low tire pressure? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, we're checking out the top 5 best car jump starters with air compressors. Powerful, compact devices that can bring your car back to life and keep your tires in top shape anytime, anywhere. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Brabham Car Jump Starter with Air Compressor. The Brabham Car Jump Starter with Air Compressor is a versatile automotive tool designed to provide both power and convenience in one compact device. This multifunctional unit combines a high-capacity jump starter with a wireless air inflator, offering drivers a reliable solution for unexpected situations on the road. With a peak current of 7,500 amps, it delivers ample power to jumpstart most vehicles efficiently, ensuring that you are never stranded due to a dead battery. The device features a large, easy-to-read display that provides real-time information on battery levels, charging status, and inflation progress. This screen also alerts users to any abnormalities, allowing for safer and more precise operation. Its wireless air compressor includes a tire pressure detection function, enabling drivers to monitor and maintain optimal tire pressure effortlessly. This functionality not only enhances vehicle safety, but also contributes to better fuel efficiency and tire longevity. Compact yet robust, the Brabham Car Jump Starter is designed to be portable and convenient, making it suitable for both everyday use and emergency situations. Whether you need to revive a car battery, inflate tires, or check pressure levels, this all-in-one device provides an intuitive and efficient solution. Its thoughtful design prioritizes ease of use, combining essential automotive tools into a single, reliable companion for drivers. With the Brabham Car Jump Starter with Air Compressor, drivers gain peace of mind knowing that power and tire care are always within reach, making road trips, daily commutes, and unforeseen roadside challenges simpler and safer. Coming in at number 4, we have the Bible Car Jump Starter with Air Compressor. The Bible Car Jump Starter with Air Compressor is designed to be the ultimate travel companion for motorists seeking reliability and convenience. Combining multiple essential functions into one compact device, it ensures you are prepared for unexpected situations on the road. Its high-capacity battery supports 5 unit settings, allowing it to adapt to a variety of needs, from emergency car starts to inflating tires efficiently. This versatility makes it more than just a jump starter. It is a portable rescue tool that can handle multiple automotive challenges. Equipped with a powerful tire inflator, the device provides rapid inflation, saving valuable time during roadside emergencies. Whether you are dealing with a slow leak or preparing your tires for a long journey, this faster tire inflator ensures your vehicle is ready in moments. The Bumble Car Jump Starter can start a dead car battery in seconds, offering peace of mind when facing a vehicle that won't start. Its compact design allows for easy storage in your trunk or under the seat, making it an indispensable companion for both daily commutes and longer trips. The device's portability does not compromise its power. Despite its small size, it delivers reliable performance, ensuring that you have access to emergency assistance whenever needed. With the Bumble Car Jump Starter, drivers can experience the confidence of knowing they have a tool capable of handling sudden automotive issues efficiently. Whether navigating urban streets or exploring remote roads, this all-in-one device offers a practical solution for modern drivers, combining convenience, speed, and reliability in a single, easy-to-use package. In essence, the Bible Car Jump Starter with Air Compressor is more than a tool. It is a travel-ready companion engineered to meet the demands of today's motorists, ensuring safety and preparedness on every journey. At number 3, the Ugreen Car Jump Starter with Air Compressor. The Ugreen Car Jump Starter with Air Compressor is a versatile and powerful automotive companion designed for drivers who value safety, convenience, and reliability. At the heart of this device is a 2,000-amp peak current jump starter, capable of starting vehicles with engines up to 8.0 liters gasoline or 6.5 liters diesel, providing up to 50 starts on a single charge. Its 12-volt battery ensures your car is ready to go even in emergencies, making it an indispensable tool for roadside situations. Beyond jump starting, the Ugreen device functions as a cordless tire inflator, featuring a 150 psi air compressor and 4 inflatable nozzles to accommodate various inflating needs, from car tires to sports equipment. The 2-inch large digital LCD with LED display allows users to easily monitor battery levels, check tire pressure, and set desired air pressure values with precision. The unit also doubles as a power bank, keeping your smartphones, tablets, and other electronics charged during travel. An integrated LED flashlight provides essential illumination in low-light conditions, enhancing safety during nighttime roadside assistance. For portability and protection, the jump starter comes with an EVA protective carrying case, offering secure storage while keeping the device organized and easily accessible. Compact yet robust, the Ugreen car jump starter with air compressor is designed for drivers seeking a multifunctional tool that combines power, convenience, and peace of mind on the road. This device represents an all-in-one solution for modern drivers, merging essential car emergency functions with practical everyday uses. It's not just a jump starter, it's a travel-ready toolkit that ensures you're always prepared, whether it's a dead battery, low tire pressure, or the need to power your devices on the go. In the second spot, we have the Ugreen car jump starter with air compressor. The Ugreen car jump starter with air compressor is designed to be an all-in-one solution for drivers who demand reliability, convenience, and safety on the road. At its core, this powerful device delivers a 7,000-amp jumpstart, capable of reviving 12V vehicles with engines up to 9.0-liter for gas and 6.5-liter for diesel. Even in extreme low-voltage situations, the intuitive boost button ensures your car can restart quickly, making it indispensable during emergencies. Built to endure harsh environments, the jump starter supports over 1,000 charge cycles and operates in temperatures ranging from 20 degrees Fahrenheit to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Beyond jump starting, the device doubles as a smart air compressor. It features 5 inflation modes and 4 nozzle options, offering maximum pressure of 160 psi with a 35-liter per minute airflow. This efficiency allows, for example, a Tesla Model 3 or Y tire to be inflated from 30 psi to 36 psi in just 1 minute. With up to 45 minutes of wireless inflation per charge and the ability to switch between units, it caters to various vehicles, bicycles, motorcycles, and sports equipment. The Ugreen unit is more than just a jump starter and tire inflator. As a 5-in-1 device, it functions as a portable power bank, a LED flashlight, and an SOS emergency light. USB compatibility allows it to charge smartphones, tablets, and other devices, while its impressive inflation capacity includes 135 ball tires, 50 bicycle tires, 35 motorcycle tires, and 8 car tires. Safety and convenience are central to its design. The built-in battery management system provides 10 layers of protection, including short circuits, overcurrent, reverse connection, overheating, and overcharging. Additionally, the smart cordless tire inflator comes with an LED screen for easy pressure monitoring, automatic shutoff, and a bright display readable even in direct sunlight. With its combination of durability, versatility, and intelligent features, the Ugreen car jump starter with air compressor ensures peace of mind for drivers in any situation. And finally, at number 1, we have the JF EGWO car jump starter with air compressor. The JF EGWO car jump starter with air compressor is designed for drivers who prioritize convenience and safety in emergency situations. This versatile device combines a powerful jump starter with a reliable air compressor, making it an essential companion for any vehicle. Its innovative no-power drain function ensures that when connected to a car battery, the jump starter retains its charge without being depleted. Additionally, the force start function allows for instant ignition even in critical situations, eliminating the need to repeatedly unplug and reconnect the clamps. Safety is a key feature of the JF EGWO. It provides clear visual indicators for clamp reverse connections and incorrect connection status, guiding users through a secure and intuitive operation with no blind spots. The device is engineered to be simple to use. After disconnecting, a quick press of the power button allows reconnection without hassle, streamlining the jump-starting process. The air compressor function is equally advanced, featuring memory storage that retains the last set inflation pressure so users can quickly inflate tires to their preferred levels without constant adjustment. Once the desired pressure is reached, the automatic shutdown feature ensures accurate inflation and prevents overinflation, adding an extra layer of safety. Compact yet powerful, the JF EGWO car jump starter with air compressor addresses common vehicle emergencies with thoughtful design and practical functionality. Its combination of intelligent safety features, efficient operation, and user-friendly design makes it a dependable tool for maintaining vehicle readiness and peace of mind on the road.